Welcome to Lawnmowers 101. Today we're talking durability, because everybody wants a mower engine that lasts. We'll say hello to Kohler engines. Built to last since 1920, Kohler engines have been battle-tested at the South Pole, Hoover Dam, and Victory Lane. And today, they power the toughest equipment in the commercial world. From heavy construction to lawn and landscape, the pros count on Kohler, and you can too. Every Kohler engine is backed by a rock-solid warranty. Hey, you want a mower for the long haul? Get one with a Kohler engine.